Hey everybody, welcome back to Blue Collar Homestead. Hello camera. Of course we start recording, this one comes up, the goats are all making noise now, but what we're here to talk about today is this guy. This is a clothesline, heavy duty clothesline kit. We're going to install this because with the pool and all the towels and basically laundry and everything and energy costs going crazy, this guy will save us a little bit of money, which I don't really care about the money, but it's just being able to dry my clothes. You know, if there's a power outage or whatever, but hang all the pool towels on there and stuff like that. But what it came with is 2 of these giant pulleys and these eye bolts. This goes like this, looks like that. And you got, I think this was 150 feet of cable, which is good because the distance we're going to go is about 60 feet, so you got to double it. So I need at least 120 of this. You got this ratchet here. Put the cable through it, turn this, and it tightens up the cables. And this guy you put on between the 2 lines. It kind of keeps them together, so the bottom one doesn't, you know, with the clothes on it doesn't kind of separate them a whole lot. But we're going to throw this thing up. I don't think we're going to get a lot of use out of this summer, so why don't we step out onto the deck and we'll kind of give you an idea of what we're going to do. All right, what I'm going to do here is take this drill a hole up there. Make sure your bit is smaller than this. You don't want it the same size, otherwise the hole will be too big. So I'm going to drill a hole and put this sucker in there. Use the screwdriver to twist it. Yeah, you'll see what I'm doing here in just a second. So there's that. Stick this guy in here. I'm going to take the screwdriver. Basically, I like to bury these things pretty far. I don't like to have any of the threads showing. That way I know it's in there nice and deep and it's not going to get pulled out. But also, I need to make sure I leave enough space sticking out so this guy can get on and not, yeah, see that goes upside down. That sits on there just like that. So now, you see how this side is. Now I got to grab a ladder and grab a measurement from the ground up to here, and I got to go way down there to the other pole. That's about 60 feet away. So let me get a measurement on that and put that one in, and then we'll get the cable up. This is like a ratchet thing. It's tighten this up with. Put one side through there. I'm going to end up having to shorten this quite a bit. Might be better off actually. Here, you know what? Can you hold on to that for a second?
Oh, huh.
Yeah.
I don't need to pull or anything, right? Just hold it?
You're good. That's the top. Hold on a second.
I had to let go.
That's fine.
Okay.
I'm going to have to cut this thing right about here. I'm going to have to cut this and make it shorter. I need you to hang on to that again. That there cable. So, I'm going to cut that, make it shorter. Somehow. Or there we go. Save the leftover cable. You might need it for something.
Can I let go?
Yeah, you can let go. Can't tell which cable's the top. Okay, this is the bottom. Alright, so this one's going to go this way. Once I start winding this up too, I'll probably cut off these giant long pieces sticking out. Get in there. There we go.
Is it gonna sag like that, or are you gonna like tighten it up?
Tighten it up.
You gotta watch the video, then you'll know.
Well, I was out here all the time.
Oh no, why is this thing giving me I almost need 3 hands to do this.
Do you need me to do something?
Second hand, or third hand.
No, I need this piece. Get out of there. Yeah, this is kind of a pain to do by yourself. It's like when I go to push that through, it gets stuck. There we go, finally. looks pretty good. We are going to take these pliers and we're going to spin this. All right.
Ooh, I almost fell.
Well, that's not good.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, this makes sense now. It's tightening up. Alright. So we're going to cut this off. This extra piece we do not need.
I know, baby. I'll feed you in a minute.
Yeah. Leave it up to the critters. Always crying for food. Get out of there. Of course, there's one last strand. I don't have my correct pliers for cutting this out here. So that is just about it. Now, I can guarantee you, over time, every now and then I'm going to have to get my pliers out and crank on this. Because over time, this cable is going to stretch. You know, and that pole and this pole, they might move a little bit. But that's all right. That's what it's going to be.
Babe,
What?
that might be too high for me.
What?
That might be too high.
Well, you better come over here and try it out then. Hold on, let's see. So you can see, you just put your clothes on here and send it out. You know, like that. Maybe it is too high for you. We're going to have to, we didn't think about that. Why don't you come on over here and take a look. Give me the camera.
Okay.
All right, hold on a second. Let's see if it's too high for Trent. Can you get the
No, I'm just kidding.
Can you get the clamps on or your clips on there? I could drop that down a little bit if you want me to.
That's a good idea.
Drop it down about a few inches.
That doesn't do well.
Well, this end is a little higher than the other end,
Do you
so
have to redo it down there then?
no.
You can just bring this down to like here?
Yeah, I can tell right now this is running downhill a little bit. I can bring this down maybe 6 inches or so,
Okay, that'll work.
and then
I'm sorry.
it's all right. It's no big deal.
Okay.
So the beauty about it is I can just unhook it from right there. I can just pull this and get it off there and lower the hook.
Okay. That's
So
good. I'm sorry.
that's all right. That's all right. But here, take the camera.
Okay. Oh, that way, not the other way.
And then when you're using this, after you put some clothes on, you put this guy on here. And then when you send your clothes way out there, that'll go with it. It won't, the lines won't separate, you know, like
Oh,
the
okay.
bottom won't be hanging down further than the top. It'll
Right.
kind of be equal.
Okay.
Of course, now I don't have any clothes on there, so now I got to go out there and fetch that thing somehow. But
That's all right.
that's all right. But anyways, that's pretty much it. I mean, we got this thing mainly for to dry the towels for the pool and probably for laundry too during the summer. I mean, why not? I mean, everything in this house is electric, and the electric bill is always crazy. So if you can cut one thing out, why not? I mean, I'm pretty sure that the stove and the water heater and the dryer are the three biggest culprits of eating all the power. Not to mention the heat in the wintertime, that's a whole nother story. But
We've even been using our grill more often.
yeah, it's too hot to cook in the house. So, you know, I mean, I don't want to heat up the house when it's 100 degrees outside. Of course, now it just rained. It's like 75. But summer's coming. It's going to be hot. We figured the sun is free all day long. Why not just put the towels up here and the clothes and let them dry?
And apparently it's always breezy here.
Yeah,
Literally,
it's always windy. Huh?
it seems like every time we record it's still breezy.
Yeah,
But it's like
windy.
this every day lately.
Yeah, pretty much. So like, subscribe, and share, and we'll see you on the next one.